Hi everyone, in this video we are going to make a beautiful flower using mask. So cut the frame, now cut a square out of the mask. After that we are going to fold it. Here fold again, press it like we are doing here and fold it into half, paste it using hot glue gun. Now we are going to make 8 such petals and combine all of them one after another. Similar way we are going to make a little flower. Paste it on the top of the flower, paste a pearl at the center. Now we are going to make a frill by cutting multiple cuts on the piece of mask, roll it and paste all of them together. Paste a handle and look, it is ready. We are going to make this flower using pink ribbon. Cut a piece of ribbon, paste double-sided tape on the top of it. Now paste another ribbon but slightly downwards to give it a beautiful pattern. Paste another double-sided tape on the top of it like we are doing here. Remove the white portion. Now we are going to fold it like this and look, you'll get a beautiful flower. Fold all of the ribbon like this one after another in a zigzag way and it's almost ready now. Fold it like we are doing here and you will get a shape like this. After this we are going to roll it around this green stick. Paste hot glue gun on one end and start rolling it. At the end paste the sepal and leaves of the flower and look, it is ready. And how pretty this is looking. You can also paste pearls on the top of it. Make more such colorful flowers and put it in a vase. Let's make flowers using these 3 colors of ribbon. So cut small piece of all ribbons. Now start folding it. We are also pasting it using fire. So slightly burn it and press it. You will get petals like this. Now we are going to paste all the petals one after another using hot glue gun. Look like this. Now roll purple flower in a circular form. Similar way we are going to roll the pink and white ribbons like this around this stick using hot glue gun and cover it using purple flower. Cover it using another piece of leaves like this. You can also paste sparkles on the top of it and look, it is ready. You can make more such flowers and make a beautiful bouquet like this and look how pretty this bouquet is looking. You can gift it to your loved ones. Let's make this beautiful sunflower using ribbons. First we are cutting a piece of brown ribbon, paste double-sided tape on it. Similar way paste another ribbon on the top and make multiple cuts on it using scissors. Look how we are doing here, you will get a shape like this. Now we are going to roll it around this green stick and paste it using hot glue gun like this. After this keep it aside. Now cut another piece of yellow ribbons and paste it on double-sided tape. Now remove the thread like we are doing here and roll it again like we are doing here around the brown ribbon. Similar way we are going to cut another piece of yellow petal like this. Cut the shape. Now make more such petals. Burn it and give it a slight shape by twisting it like we are doing here. After this make more such petals and cover the flower one after another like this. Paste its leaves at the base and look, your sunflower is ready. Finally we are giving it final touch by wrapping it using forward tape. Paste leaves around it and look, your beautiful sunflower stick is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.